What is the difference between a consent order and a clean break consent order? And all the different terminology in family law and divorce can be quite confusing. So let's go through it now. A consent order is what makes your financial arrangements legally binding. So if you've agreed that you're going to sell the house and, I don't know, split it 50-50, then you have to do that. And if one of you doesn't and changes your mind, you can go back to court and have the consent order enforced. So it protects you both, that your agreement is actually going to happen. A clean break consent order adds in the clause that neither of you can make a claim against the other party at any point in the future. So, for example, if you have a clean break clause in there, then you couldn't, 5, 10, 15 years down the line ask for more money for spousal maintenance, for example, or ask if the other party was lucky enough to win the lottery, ask for some of that money. So it gives you some financial certainty, and that's what most clients want, is a clean break consent order. A normal consent order without the clean break clause would normally mean that there is some ongoing financial obligation between you, and this would normally be spousal maintenance, where one party is paying the other party a monthly figure, usually monthly, and that might be for a finite period of time as well. And the reason why that can't give you a clean break is at any point in the future, either of you could ask for that money to be capitalized in a lump sum. They could ask for it to be increased, or you might ask for it to be decreased if your circumstances change. So a consent order with spousal maintenance cannot have a clean break. Another example where you couldn't get a clean break is if you have a measure order on a property whereby you both have a joint interest in that property and it's going to be sold at a later date with a percentage equity split that you've probably already agreed. So again, there's an ongoing financial arrangement there, which means you can't get a clean break. It can be a little bit of a complicated area of law. We recommend you get your own legal advice. Speak to us at Mediate UK. If you're in mediation, your mediator will be able to explain it to you as well. One thing that is important to note is child maintenance is a separate area of law. It falls under a separate jurisdiction. If you have child maintenance payments, you can still get a clean break consent order. Give us a call at Mediate UK if you're struggling with any of this or want to find out more. Our website is mediateuk.co.uk. Best of luck.